did we study in SS last week? ആരെങ്കിലും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? We studied about universe. Do you remember? Yes, we studied about universe. And what is there in the universe? There are many things. Heavenly bodies, stars, planets, everything is included in universe. Then we studied about galaxy. What is a galaxy? Galaxy consists of millions of stars. And in which galaxy we are in? We are in Milky Way. In this Milky Way also there are many stars, and one of the stars is our sun. So sun is also a star. Sun along with 8 planets and other heavenly bodies together form a solar system. What does it form? It forms a solar system. Now in this solar system there are 8 planets. Etra planets unde? 8 planets. These planets can be divided into different categories based on their composition and size. Composition which ഏത് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ആ പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ് ഫോം ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ലൈക്ക് there are rocky planets. Those planets are made up of hard rocks. And next one is gaseous planet. That is, these planets contains only gases. And second one is about size, based on the size. So there are huge giant planets, same way there are small tiny planets also in our solar system. Now today we will learn about satellites or Earth's moon. Do you know what satellites are? Satellites are the heavenly bodies or objects that move around the planet. ഈ പ്ലാനറ്റിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റും ആയിരിക്കും ഈ സാറ്റലൈറ്റ്സ് ഉള്ളത്. There are natural satellites and artificial satellites. Which is the satellite of our Earth? Do you know? Yes, moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Earth has only one satellite, that is moon. What is that? Moon. Moon revolve around the Earth. Earth inde chuttum this moon revolves, and it takes 28 days. Full oru round karangan it takes 28 days around the Earth. Okay. This moon do not have light of its own. Last class പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നോ? In the solar system, planets also do not have its own light. They get light from where do the planets get light? Yes, from the sun. Same way, this moon also get its light from the sun. So, moon do not have its own light. So that is why it is only seen clearly during night time. Same like Earth, all the other planets also have satellites. Jupiter ഇല്ലേ, ജൂപ്പിറ്ററിന് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സാറ്റലൈറ്റ് ഉള്ളത്. Also, this moon is the 5th largest satellite in our solar system. On which number does it come? It is the 5th largest satellite in our solar system, and Jupiter has the most number of satellites. What do we see at night in the sky? Yes, that shines so bright. What is that? Yes, stars. We see stars. There are millions of stars in our sky. As you can see, there are many stars in the sky. And what are the stars? They are just a ball, and they emit heat and light. Continuous heat, light and ultraviolet rays are also emitted. That's why we seem that stars are shining. അതുകൊണ്ട് stars shine ആവുന്നത് നമുക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത്. And their sizes are very big, but they are very far, so it seems so small. Stars are of different shapes and different colors. Also, some stars have different temperatures. This blue star, its temperature is very high. Same way, white star also temperature is very high. But this yellow star and the next, that is red star, orange star, has very low temperature. Next is constellations. Have you heard about constellations? കോൺസ്റ്റലേഷൻസ് ആർ നത്തിങ് ബട്ട് എ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റാർസ്. ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ബ്രൈറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർസ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്ത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഷേപ്പ് ഫോം ആവും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് കോൺസ്റ്റലേഷൻസ്. There are different types of constellations. See how many different types of constellations are there. ഇതൊന്നുമില്ല, ഒരു 7 സ്റ്റാർസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 6 സ്റ്റാർസ് 3 സ്റ്റാർസ്, ഈ സ്റ്റാർസ് ഒക്കെ ഫോം ബ്രൈറ്റസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാർസ് കേട്ടോ, ഈ ഫോം ചെയ്തൊരു ഷേപ്പ് പോലെ നമുക്ക് തോന്നിക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് കോൺസ്റ്റലേഷൻ. ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്, ലുക്ക് ഹിയർ, ഹൗ മെനി സ്റ്റാർസ്, ബ്രൈറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർസ് ആർ ദർ? കണ്ടോ, ദർ ആർ 7 stars and they form a shape. This shape is called Ursa Major. കണ്ടോ, ഒരു ബെയറിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പായിട്ട് തോന്നിയില്ലേ? ഇറ്റ്സ് ഉർസ മേജർ. ദിസ് കോൺസ്റ്റലേഷൻ ഈസ് ഓൾസോ കോൾഡ് സപ്തഋഷി. വൈ സപ്തഋഷി? ബിക്കോസ് ദേ ഹാവ് ഫോം ബൈ 7 ബ്രൈറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർസ്. കണ്ടോ? So these are all about stars and constellations. What did we study today? We studied about moon. Moon is the Earth's natural satellite and it revolves around the Earth. Earthinte chuttu idu revolve cheyum. It takes 28 days to revolve around the Earth. Also it spins on its own axis. It also rotates on its own axis also. Okay. Then there are different types, different satellites for all the planets. But Earth has only how many satellites? Yes, only one satellite. And it is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. Same way about stars. There are billions of stars in the sky. കുറേ stars ഉണ്ടല്ലേ നമ്മുടെ സ്കൈയിൽ. These stars, some are very bright, some are not that bright, and all these stars have different colors, and stars have heat, light, and stars also emit energy. Next is constellations. Constellations are nothing but a group of bright stars that form a recognizable pattern. A group of bright stars ഒരുമിച്ച് കൂടിയിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പാറ്റേൺ ഫോം ആവും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ കോൺസ്റ്റലേഷൻ. വി സ്റ്റഡീഡ് അബൌട്ട് Ursa Major and it is also known as Saptarishi. So this is all about the chapter Hello Universe. Okay, thank you.